Hello beautiful people, it's me Gifty, the gift to your hair. Welcome back to my channel. I am the gift to your hair, and on this channel I help you achieve the look that you have always envisioned. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a product review on DreamGIRLS Signature Healthy Hair Care System Kit. In this kit, it comes with 4 different products: the rejuvenating conditioner, it comes with the rejuvenating shampoo as well. And it also comes with the Revital Deep treatment. It comes with the Tlc Comb Out treatment. I'm going to be using those 4 products on my client's natural hair today to give her a shampoo, condition, blowout, trim, and style. This is a natural service you're able to book with gifty.org. I am a hairstylist and I offer natural services, wigs, and extensions as a protective styling option for all my customers. For today, we're starting off using the Renewing Shampoo. The Renewing Shampoo was amazing, y'all. I absolutely loved it. The Renewing Shampoo is made with tea tree, lavender, and peppermint oil. This product is going to cleanse the hair and scalp. This is gear for your hair and scalp problems. If you have dry scalp, itchy scalp, or just irritated scalp, the Renewing Shampoo is amazing. That is where I start off. This product is used to cleanse the hair. You're gonna feel a therapeutic sensation because of the peppermint scent that is added into the product. I am washing out the shampoo and now moving on to the conditioner. The Renewing Conditioner. The Renewing Conditioner, it is for moisture. This conditioner will repair, moisturize, and restore your hair without weighing it down. Absolutely. Once you put this product on your hair, it's gonna feel like butter is melted. Like it just melts into your hair so smoothly. It's ridiculous. And it also helps detangle the hair. After I put the product on, I was able to easily detangle my client's hair easily. I was so amazed. I'm over here like, girl, hold on. This one, this this regular conditioner is absolutely amazing. It's amazing. So I added it into the hair. I massaged it all the way through, and then I let it sit for a little bit. Then I washed it out. This is me washing out the conditioner as of right now. Like we was talking about it, I'm like, hold on, this is really, really great. You're supposed to use the product as a wash out moisturizer, conditioner, shampoo and conditioner set. I am washing it out. I am not leaving the product into the hair. Now moving on to the next product within this system. We did the shampoo and conditioner. Now you have the Revital treatment. I used the treatment as a deep conditioner, so I left it in my client's hair and I did put her under the dryer. And then when I put her back to the shampoo and conditioner bowl station, I washed it out. There is another product in this system. It's called the Tlc Comb Out. We didn't use it within this video, but after using this products, I loved it. Like this is really, really bomb. So I did purchase some for myself, and I'm gonna create a natural Sunday video with me actually applying the hair in my hair and show you guys another review video. But this so far on my client's natural hair was really, really nice. It made it super soft. Like it felt so good. I could easily brush through it. Overall, the product is great from me using it on my customer though. Once I do a review video on me using it on myself, then I could tell you like this is the bomb diggly bomb. But so far using it on her hair texture, it worked really well. Now I'm moving on to completing the service for today. She got a shampoo, condition, blowout, trim. So I am blowing out her natural hair. At the end of the video, I did a shampoo, condition, blowout, and trim on her natural hair. She is gonna go get her box braids done. So just to make it easier for the braider, I did section it into 4 sections and did big plaits for her hair to be able to be stretched and ready for her next style. You're able to book this natural service with me, Gifty, the gift to your hair. The information will be located in the description box. Please do like this video and I will see you tomorrow for another one. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye, beautiful people.